Spending too much time adding subtitles? Try Verba, the AI app that makes video editing and captions effortless. Instantly create stylish subtitles, enhance audio, and add GIFs right from your iPhone. Fast, affordable, and packed with smart features, Verba makes video creation easy and fun. Let's dive in and explore Verba. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. To download Verba, simply click the link provided in the description, which will take you directly to the Apple App Store. Once you've installed the app, you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface designed for ease of use. Verba is an iOS application built specifically for video editing and automatic subtitle generation. Beyond just subtitles, it helps you enhance your audio for clear, crisp sound and offers smart word highlighting to make your captions more engaging. The app also features a text-to-speech function, allowing you to add voiceovers with ease. Plus, you'll find a wide selection of playful GIFs and the ability to translate subtitles into multiple languages, making your content accessible to a global audience. With Verba, you can create and edit videos both with and without subtitles. Let's explore the subtitle feature in detail. When you select this option, you'll be prompted to choose a video from your gallery, from your files, or even record a new video directly within the app. After selecting your video, you'll see a preview and can listen to the audio.
If you want to become a millionaire, there are two.
Once your video is uploaded, you'll have the option to enable automatic language detection. This feature can be toggled on or off, and it will automatically identify the language spoken in your video. You can then translate your video into a variety of languages, including Arabic, American English, Chinese, and many more. Another powerful feature is the automatic keyword highlighting, which helps increase viewer engagement and emotional impact. You can choose to enable or disable this as needed. As your video uploads and captions are generated, you'll see a progress interface. For most videos, this process only takes a few seconds, and once it's complete, your video will be fully captioned.
If you want to become a millionaire, there are two essential rules you can't ignore. First, invest early and consistently so your money has time to grow and work for you.
Editing subtitles is simple and flexible. Just select any subtitle segment to access more editing options. Verba offers a range of popular subtitle presets, including different styles, shades, line effects, and more. You can easily switch between these to match your brand or personal preference.
If you want to become a millionaire, there are two essential rules you can't ignore.
Customization goes even further. You can adjust the text color, size, font style, stroke size, capitalization, punctuation, and even the background color and opacity. This level of control ensures your subtitles look exactly how you want them.
If you want to become a millionaire, there are two essential rules you can't ignore.
Audio editing is also built in. You can add different audio effects, trim the voice track, and adjust the volume to make your captions stand out even more. These changes are applied in real time, so you can immediately hear the difference.
If you want to become a millionaire, there are two essential rules you can't ignore.
To make your videos even more engaging, Verba allows you to add GIFs. You can search for and insert GIFs that match your video's theme or script, such as a millionaire GIF for a financial topic or an investment GIF for business content. These visual elements help keep your audience's attention and increase retention throughout the video. Editing captions is quick and easy. You can add punctuation, make as many changes as you like, and fine-tune every detail to make your video truly stand out.
There are two essential rules you can't ignore.
Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can export your video in various aspect ratios, such as 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels, or 16:9 for YouTube. You can also choose your preferred resolution, from HD to Full HD and even Ultra HD, ensuring your content looks great on any platform. In summary, Verba is the perfect tool for content creators who want to enhance their videos with professional quality subtitles, improved audio, and engaging visual effects. It streamlines the entire video creation process, making it easy to produce standout content right from your iPhone. Try Verba AI today by clicking the link in the description and also leave a comment to share experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more AI-related content.